in this video we will discuss about MS Access. Okay, that is your chapter number 3. So all of you look here. So let us first we will search the MS Access. So in the right side in the search column we have to search. Okay, now here we have to write here access. Okay, but ACCESS. So this access is selected, so you have to double click this one. Now this is the window of MS Access. Okay, now here first we close it. So here blank database, blank desktop database. So this is we have to create the database in MS Access. So we have to go here. Okay, so this is the first window of MS Access. Okay, so let us discuss first one by one. So in the top, okay, here database 33. Okay, look here, that is database 33. This is called the title bar. Okay, this is what? Title bar. Now this one is the tools: file, home, create, external data, database tools, fields and table. These all are tabs. Okay, and when you click the tab, then your ribbon will be appear on your screen. Like first we select file tab, then this type of option will appear. After that, when we click home tab, then this type of ribbon. Okay, there are so many ribbons like view. Okay, first view is what? This is the group. The clipboard is the group, and these all are the cut, copy, format, printer are under the group which clipboard group. Now this one sort and filter, this is the name of the group, and these all are ascending, descending, these all are the under sort and filter group. Okay, so these all are what? Ribbon. So when we click tab, then all your ribbons will appear. Now another thing, so this one, okay, look here, this window means this area, 1 minute, yes, this one, this is the navigation pane. This area where the table 1 is written here, that is called the navigation pane. So in this video we will discuss the navigation pane and what is the status bar. So in the bottom, okay, here is records 1 search. So this type of area where arrow is moving, this is called the status bar. Okay, now so our first video will be how to create table in a data sheet view. So first in the home tab, okay, in the home tab there are view option. Okay, so when we press view, there are two types of view, the design view and data sheet view. Okay, so here we have to create table in which view? Data sheet view. So first we create the table in the data sheet view, then click here. Okay, now here we have to create table. Okay, now so we have to write here, otherwise go to create and table option. Okay, this one we have to select. This is table 2. Okay, but this is table 1. Now this is have to remove. Okay, there. Now another way, again we are repeating this. First we have to go to the create tab. Okay, if you not go to create tab, then you have to go to the home tab, and first we go to the create tab, after go to the table option. Okay, now this table 1, so we have to create the table in data sheet view. Okay, so first there is ID here, ID. So this ID we have to rename, means in this section we have to only rename, and we have to write like number, serial number, roll number, like so on. Only we have to rename this thing by roll number, serial number and so on. Okay, because it follows only the numbers values. Okay, like ID, so we have to rename this. So first we have to double click on ID, and you have to write here roll number. In this window we have to create the table by the data sheet view. Okay, so roll number. Now we have to press the tab key. So tab key is where? In the keyboard, that is the tab key. Okay, so we have to press the tab key. After that this click to add is automatically selected, but here we have to choose here what we have to write here, name. Suppose I have to write the name of a student, my table name. the name of the table is table number 1, but the name of here is name, so we have to write name. So but when we press here this type of black dot, so these all are displaying or appear like number, short text, currency, date and time, yes, no, loop of rich text, long text, attachment, hyperlink, okay, calculated fill, okay, and so on. So we have to write the name. So now name is which type, name is which data type, like short text, name is the very short name, that's why you have to write here short text. Okay, now when we have to select short text, then there is field 1 and it is in dark name, so we have to rename it like name. Okay, another way, we have to go to the tab key. Now first okay, now tab key again we have selected. Now this dot, this highlighted dot will appear in this side. Now my next option will be address. So address is in the form of long text, so here long text is written here, so we have to select long text. Again this one is highlighted, so you have to rename it like address A double D R E double S. Okay, now we have to write the date of birth. Okay, so look here, again we have to press the, okay, you have to go to the cursor in this place, otherwise you have to go to the tab key. Now date of birth is in the form of date and time, so we have to select date and time. Now you have to change here DOB. Now your following section, the required information for table you have to create it here. Now you have to fill the name of some students. Okay, now so first we have to go to this one, roll number section. Now here we have to no write anything. Okay, first we have to write the name. Suppose we have to write the name of any student like Ayush, AYUSH. Okay, now again address, when we have to write Ayush, then automatically here one roll number 1 is placed. Now address is Nagma. Now sorry, CHATRA. Now date of birth. Okay, date of birth, suppose we have to not write anything, here is the option we have to choose here, like we have to press here. Now date of birth is 17, this one is the date of birth. Now we have to rename 2021 by 1990 1990. Okay, now again we have to press enter. Now again this one you have to write the name of next student like Neha. Okay, another you have to go to, when you write Neha, then automatically roll number 2 is here. Now address again you have to write. Okay, now date of birth again you have to write here, choosing this one. Suppose you have to go to the month of June, so you have to write 4th. Now but you have to write the 1993, then you have to erase by backspace key and write down 1993. Okay, so this is the method by which we have to create the table in data sheet view. Okay, so this is very easy way. Okay, and in my next video we have to discuss by the how to create table in the design view. Okay.